Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Here's another video in the Functions in Python series. If you haven't watched the previous ones, feel free to do so. They include Introduction to Functions, functions with parameters, the return statement, mandatory parameters, optional parameters, mutable optional parameters, keyword arguments, arbitrary number of positional parameters, arbitrary number of keyword parameters, and arbitrary number of both positional and keyword parameters. Today we'll be talking about nested functions. Functions may be nested. We can have one function inside another. In such a case, the nested function will be only available inside the function in which it's nested. Let's have a look at this function here. Here we have an outer function, saved letters, which contains an inner function, prepare word. So here the enclosing function is saved letters, and the nested function is prepare word. So let's have a look at these two functions. What do they actually do? Well, the inner function actually only returns the string passed as the argument in all uppercase. It's quite simple. Now the enclosing function takes one parameter, frequency equals 2 by default, and it just calls the prepare word function inside its body. So it calls the function which is also defined inside its body. And here we pass a string. So actually what this does, it turns this string into capital letters. And then it prints the slice of this formatted word with this frequency, which is the step. So here it's every second character. Now the other function also prints this message, my CV is ready. And now let's run this code. And we get this, my CV is ready, and here we have the word unbelievable, capitalized, so all letters are turned into uppercase, and then every second letter is taken here. So it's a slice from beginning to end with a step of 2. So it works. So as you can see here, we called the nested function inside the outer function. So it was in scope. But what if we try to call the nested function outside the enclosing function? Let's try to do it. So new word equals, and here we have the function which is only defined inside this outer function. So what do we get? We get an error. Name prepare word is not defined. The error message tells us that the function prepare word is not defined. This is because it's only defined inside another function and it's available only in that function. So we can call prepare word inside saved letters, which we actually did, but only there. That's how nested functions work. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.